measure of the tendency of a given chemical species to partition itself between liquid and vapor phases. Okay, Ki is given by Yi over Xi. Okay, it is a measure of the lightness of a species. That means its tendency to favor the vapor phase. Okay, when Ki is greater than unity, okay, species I exhibits a higher concentration in the vapor phase, and when it is less than unity, a higher concentration in the liquid phase, and is considered as a heavy constituent. Okay, the use of K values allow elimination of one set of mole fraction Yi or Xi, okay, in favor of the other. Okay, from equation 10.1, okay, K value for Rod's law is given by Ki equal to Pi set over P. Okay, because from Rod's law, Yi over Xi is equal to Pi set over P. So Ki equal to this equation. And for modified Rod's law, okay, you substitute the Yi over Xi is equal to gamma I Pi set over P. Okay, equation 10.11 for Rod's law and equation 10.12 for modified Rod's law. Okay, from equation 10.10, okay, Yi is equal to Ki Xi. Okay, the summation of Yi is equal to 1. So the equation becomes summation Ki Xi equal to 1. Okay, from this equation, summation Yi equal to 1. So summation Xi Ki is equal to 1. This equation is for bubble point calculation, okay, where the Xi are known. So the problem is to find the set of K values, okay, that satisfy this equation. Okay. Okay, from 10.10 also, it can be written as Xi equal to Yi over Ki. And the summation of Xi is equal to 1. So summation Yi over Ki equal to 1. This is for dew point calculation. Okay, where the Yi are known. So the problem is to find the set of K values, okay, that satisfy equation 10.14. Okay, equation 10.13 for bubble point, equation 10.14 for dew point. Okay. Okay, equation 10.11 and 10.12, okay, together with equation 10.10, okay, represent alternative form of Rod's law and modified Rod's law equation. Okay, from Rod's law equation, express the K value as a function of T and P, which is independent of the composition of the liquid and vapor phases. So this allows K value to be calculated and correlated as a function of T and P. Okay, this correlation is valid for mixture of light hydrocarbons and other simple molecules. And the value of K, okay, can be found from figure 10.13 and 10.14. Okay, the basis is Rod's law equation to apply for figure 10.13 and 10.14 for the K value. Okay. Look at example 10.4. Okay, for a mixture of 10 mole percent methane, 20 mole percent ethane, and 70 mole percent propane at 10 degrees Celsius, okay, determine the dew point pressure and bubble point pressure. Okay, the K values are given by figure 10.13. Right, for dew point pressure, okay, when the system it is dew point, so only an insignificant amount of liquid is present. So the given mole fractions in the question are the values for Yi. And for the given temperature, okay, the K value depends on the choice of P, and you can solve by try and error. Okay, by using which satisfy equation 10.14. There is summation Yi over Ki equal to 1. Okay, in this example, okay, refer to figure 10.13. Okay, you choose one value of P and at temperature 10 degrees C. Okay, the K value you can find from figure 10.13. Okay, this is figure 10.13. Okay, at temperature, okay, this axis is for the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, this is for pressure in kPa. Okay, at 10 degrees C, okay, you choose P, any P. Okay, in this example, it use 6.9 bar, right? Okay, 6.9 bar is 690 kPa. So you make a straight line at 690 kPa and 10 degrees C. And then the intersection for each components, okay, in the question is methane, ethane, and propane. So this is the K value, right? So you read the K value from this figure. Okay, for methane, K is 20, ethane 3.25, and propane 0.92. Okay, for each Yi is the mole fraction given in the question. Okay, so you calculate Yi over Ki for each component. And then look at the summation of Yi, Ki. Okay, summation dia 0.828. So yang kita nak adalah summation Yi over Ki equal to 1. So yang at P 6.9 bar ni, so belum satisfy equation 10.14. So you choose another value of P until the summation Yi over Ki is equal to 1. Okay, faham ke?
Faham, madam.
Faham, madam.
Okay, faham macam mana nak dapatkan the Ki? And then for dew point, you use equation 10.14. Summation Yi over Ki equal to 1.
Faham, madam.
Ya, faham
Faham, faham.
Alright. So when P 6.9 bar, the summation Yi equal to 0.828. So try other value of P. Okay, dalam ni dia try 1034 kPa. So you use 10.13, figure 10.13. Okay, you take 1034, okay, around here. Okay, make a straight line at 10 degrees C. Okay, read the K value and then calculate Yi over Ki. So the summation here is 1.174. Okay, dia dah lebih daripada 1. So when you get summation Yi over Ki less than 1 and greater than 1, so you can interpolate actually the value of P. Okay. You can interpolate between 6.9 bar and 10.34 bar. Okay. Untuk dapatkan P yang dia punya summation Yi over Ki equal to 1. Okay. Ataupun you nak try sampai dapat pun boleh lah juga. Tapi yang ni there's macam shortcut method lah. Okay. Selalunya dalam soalan dia akan bagi range of P untuk you try and error. Okay. Faham ke?
Faham, madam.
Faham, madam.
So yang P ni by try and error lah sampai summation yi ki equal to 1. So the answer yang dekat sini ialah 8.7 bar. Sebab summation yi ki dah sama dengan 1. So 8.7 ni adalah dia punya dew point pressure. And the composition xi is yi over ki. Yang ni. Alright.
Madam, pressure dia tu ada range tak madam? Atau dia memang random number je?
Macam mana? Pressure?
Pressure yang kita nak assume tu dia ada range dia tak?
Biasa dalam soalan dia akan bagi range lah.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. So for bubble point pressure, sama juga method dia, tapi you use equation 10.13. Okay, summation xi, ki equal to 1. So you try and error P sampai summation xi, ki equal to 1. Okay, xi ni adalah mole fraction yang dalam soalan sebab dia adalah bubble point. So kita assume the mole fraction is xi. Okay, in this question, dia try 26.2 bar. Okay, from figure 10.13, okay, you find ki for each species and then calculate xi, ki. Okay, and then you calculate the summation. Okay, yang ni 26.2 bar, summation xi, ki 1.017. So dia dah lebih daripada 1. So you try another value of P. Okay, dapat satu lagi yang ni 27.6 bar. Okay, dia punya summation 0.963. Okay, tak sampai satu lagi. Okay, ataupun dia boleh bila dah dapat summation lebih satu and the summation less than 1, boleh interpolate between these two P. Faham
Faham,
So tak
madam.
pernah try banyak-banyak kali. Right? Okay, so the answer for bubble point pressure is 26.54 bar. And this is the vapor mole fraction, Yi. Right? Ada soalan?
Tak ada lagi, madam.
Okay, belum ada. So kalau tak ada, kita pergi ke flash calculation. Okay, an important application of VLE is the flash calculation. Okay, the name flash originates from the fact that a liquid at a pressure equal or greater than its bubble point pressure, okay, flashes or partially evaporates when the pressure is reduced. Okay, producing a two-phase system of vapor and liquid in equilibrium. Okay, the PT flash calculation refers to any calculation of the quantities and the composition of vapor and liquid phases, okay, making up two-phase system in equilibrium at known T, P, and overall composition. Okay, this is the overall composition Zi with a fraction of F. Okay, this is a vapor fraction Yi and liquid fraction Xi. Okay, at temperature P and T. Okay, when you consider a system of one mole basis of non-reacting chemical species, okay, with overall composition F tadi, this is overall composition with a fraction Zi. Okay, L is the mole of liquid with mole fraction Xi, and V is the mole of vapor with mole fraction Yi. So from material balance equation, okay, with 1 mole basis, so L plus V equal to 1. Okay, so Zi equal to XIL plus YIV. Okay, when combine this equation, okay, you substitute L with 1 minus V. Okay, so you get equation 10.15. Okay, from this equation, substitute L equal to 1 minus V. You masuk dalam ni and then simplify, you get 10.15. Okay, and then Xi is equal to Yi over Ki. So you can solve for Yi. Okay, Yi equal to Zi Ki over 1 plus V Ki minus 1. Okay, because the summation of Yi is equal to 1, so this equation is sum of all species. Okay, to get summation Zi Ki over 1 plus V Ki minus 1 equal to 1. So the initial step in solving the PT flash problem is to find the value of V, okay, which satisfy equation 10.17. Okay, so you must solve the V, okay, to solve the flash calculation. Okay, the Ki can be from equation 10.10, okay, or you can find Ki from figure 10.13 or 10.14. Okay, example 10.5. Okay, for system acetone, acetonitrile, and nitromethane at 80 degrees C and pressure 110 kPa. Okay, the overall composition Z1 0.45, Z2 0.35, and Z3 0.2. Okay, assuming Rod's law equation is appropriate to these systems, determine L, V, Xi, and Yi. Okay, given the vapor pressure for pure species, P1 set, P2 set, and P3 set. Okay, first we have to determine whether the system is in two phase. That means the P is between P view and P bubble. Okay, then only the flash calculation can be made. Okay, first you calculate the bubble P. Okay, you assume the given overall composition Zi is equal to Xi. Okay, P bubble for Rod's law is summation Xi Pi set. So you calculate the P bubble X1 P1 set plus X2 P2 set plus X3 P3 set. Okay, you get a P equal to 132.4 kPa. And then for the UP, okay, you assume the given mole fraction is equal to Yi. And by using equation 10.3, Kp is equal to summation 1 over Yi over Pi set. Okay, you calculate the P due. Okay, the given pressure 110 kPa is between P bubble and P due. So the system is in two phase region. So you can make the flash calculation. Okay, the P of the system must be between P due and P bubble. Okay. To get the Ki, okay, use equation 10.11 because this is Rod's law. You got to assume Rod's law, right? So Ki is equal to Pi set over P. Okay. K1 equal to P1 over P, K2 equal to P2 set over P, and K3 P3 set over P. Okay, and then you substitute the value of Ki. Okay, the zi into equation 10.17. Okay, you need to solve this equation. Okay, summation zi ki over 1 plus v ki minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, substitute each value for each species into this equation. Okay, and by using calculator, okay, you can get the V. You all tahu tak macam nak guna calculator to solve this V? Boleh tak?
Tahu.
Cuba you try key in dalam calculator, dapat tak V ni? Okay, the variable V tu, you boleh select any unknown dalam calculator tu. Boleh ke? Ada yang dapat? Okay, in calculator you can choose ni sebagai you tekan alpha and then any unknown A, B, C, D or X, Y, M semua. Okay, katalah you ambil ni alpha X. Okay, untuk ni. Alright. You masukkan semua ni, yang kurungan ni semua. Okay, bila yang ni equal ni, you tekan alpha calculate. Okay, you set equal to 1 and then after that you tekan shift solve. Kan, shift calculate. Okay, tekan ni for the first time dia akan bagi macam apa? Jawapan yang sebelum ni. You kena tekan 2 kali. Baru dia kira yang equation ni. Dapat tak? 0.7367.
Kejap madam tengah try.
Dapat.
Dapat madam.
Dapat.
Dapat.
Okay, semua dapat Semua boleh ke? Ada yang tak dapat? Okay, try use your calculator to calculate V.
Dapat madam.
Okay. Lain okay Mujahid okay tak?
Okey madam.
Okay. Alright, after you calculate V, okay, you can find L by 1 minus V. And then the fraction, more fraction yi and xi, okay, from equation 10.16 and 10.10. Okay, yi equal to zi ki over 1 plus v ki minus 1. Okay, you substitute yang v you dapat tadi dalam equation ni. Okay, dapat y1, y2, y3. And then x is equal to Y over K. Okay, boleh? Okay, ada soalan nak tanya? Ada soalan?
Tak ada, madam.
Ada. Okey, tak ada soalan. Okay, saya nak tanya soalan. Syahril ada? Syahril Muhammad Syahril. Syahril Ismail.
Ya, madam.
Faham tak? Macam mana dapat K?
Okey. Okey, yang mana?
Macam mana calculate K?
KI.
Yes, KI.
PI set over P.
Apa? PI set over P.
Ah.
Okay. So dalam ni PI set guna dia dah bagi. Betul ke?
Apa?
PI set kira macam mana?
Dia dah bagi.
Dia dah bagi. Kalau tak bagi,
Tak bagi. Kena calculate.
guna apa? Kira P set guna apa? Tak dengar.
Ha.
How to calculate P set?
Antoine equation.
Okay, Antoine equation. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, kita tanya orang lain pula. Fatin Wahidah. Fatin Wahidah.
Ya, madam.
Okay, ZI itu apa?
ZI composition yang fit lah.
Okay, bagus. So dalam soalan ni dia dah bagi kan? Okay. Yang V tu okay tak? You cari guna calculator.
Okay.
Dapat? Okay. Okay. Kita tanya Mujahid ada?
Ada madam.
Ada.
Ada.
Okay, how to calculate yi and xi? Mana Mujahid?
Pakai untuk YI pakai 10.16, equation 10.16. Kalau untuk SI SI 10.13.
Okay. Yang V tu tadi yang dapat dari mana?
Dapat yang masuk dalam calculator tu lah.
Dapat. So you substitute dalam equation 10.16 and 10.10.
Ha.
Okay. Okay. Next example 10.6. Okay, for the system described in example 10.4. Okay, what fraction of the system is vapor when the pressure is 13.8 bar, and what are the compositions of the equilibrium vapor and liquid phases? Okay, from example 10.4, okay, now the pressure is 13.8 bar. Okay, you have to calculate the composition of vapor and liquid phase. Okay, so the given pressure 13.8 bar tadi is between dew point and bubble point pressure. Okay, yang dah calculate in example 10.4. So the system is in two-phase region. So you can make a flash calculation. So the K value, okay, you obtain from figure 10.13 also. Okay, at pressure 13.8 bar and temperature berapa? Okay, tengok kat temperature berapa?
Kalau 10.4 ni 10 degrees madam.
Okay, 10 degrees C and pressure 13.8 bar. Okay, you find the Ki value for each species. Okay, cuba you try dalam figure 10.13, dapat tak ni? Okay, find the Ki value in figure 10.13.
Future berapa tadi madam?
P. P 13.8 bar. Okay, convert to kPa. Okay, 1 bar 100 kPa. Okay, dapat tak? Berapa Ki? Okay, boleh tak baca yang figure 10.13 yang saya bagi dalam GC tu. Okay, methane should be 9, ethane 1.7 and propane 0.5. Okay, dapat tak? Sorry. Okay, after you get the K for each species, you substitute into equation 10117. Okay, you solve for V. Okay, use your calculator.
Madam,
Yeah.
boleh tak kalau Madam tunjuk cara baca dekat tu figure 10.13 saya macam tak boleh.
Macam mana?
Saya macam tak boleh baca je.
Oh,
Ah,
tak dapat tadi.
tak nampak.
Okay, from this figure, okay, you take pressure tadi 1380 kan? 1380 dekat mana eh? Okay, around here. Sini bawah sikit. Okay, you make a straight line dekat P ni 1380 and temperature 10 degree C. Okay, buat straight line macam ni. And then the intersection yang dekat scale tengah-tengah for each species ni, okay, you read value K. Boleh tak?
Okay. Faham. Terima kasih Madam.
Okay. Okay, ada yang dapat V 0.236. Okay. Yang lain okay? Okay, after you
Dapat,
calculate,
madam.
okay, after calculate V, okay, you can find Y and X. Okay, the compositions. Okay, ada soalan nak tanya?
Ada madam.
Apa tu?
Dekat tadi temperature berapa dekat yang example tu
10 degree C.
10 degree C. Kenapa kita ambil 10 degree C
Sebab ini adalah from example 10.4 soalan dia. Okay, soalan dia from example 10.4. Okay. Dia bagi pressure sekarang 13.8 bar. Okay, temperature tu ambil lah daripada 10.4 tadi. Sama je sistem dia.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, masih ada.
Okay. Okay, yang lain ada soalan? Dapat semua?
Dapat, Madam.
Okay. Okay, dapat semua? Okay, this is the answer for the compositions of vapor and liquid. Okay, substitute into equation 10.16 and 10.10. Okay, that's all for V and E from K value and flash calculation. Okay, you ada soalan kan nak tanya?
Madam,
Hmm.
boleh tak Madam terangkan lagi sekali yang kira guna kalkulator?
Oh, guna calculator.
Sebab saya tak dapat.
Okay, sekejap. So, kita ambil this example. Okay, you key in semua value ni. Okay, you simplify lah dulu ni. Kalau tak simplify pun boleh juga kan. Just plug in je dalam calculator. Yang variable V ni, in calculator you boleh select any variable lah. Alpha, guna alpha. Atau lagi ambil X. Ada tak button alpha tu? Di mana? Kalau calculator saya ni, alpha, lepas tu ada A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, M. So ambil je lah mana-mana. Saya guna alpha X. Okay, yang kurungan ni you kena betul lah. Okay, yang ni. And then yang equal ni, alpha calculate. Okay, alpha calculate. You sama dengan 1, you kena tekan 1 juga. Okay, after that, you tekan shift solve. Okay, you tekan 2 kali. Okay tak?
Okay, Madam.
Dapat jawapan?
Sekejap.
Ada yang tak dapat guna calculator? Okay, yang lain ada soalan? Okay, kalau tak ada, can we try question 1, tutorial 4? Okay, tengok tutorial 4, question 1. Okey. Ada kan soalan? Tutorial 4. Okay, soalan dia, a mixture containing equimolar amounts of benzene, toluene and ethyl benzene. Okay, is flashed to condition 110 degrees C and pressure 90 kPa. Okay, determine the equilibrium mole fraction Xi and Yi. Okay, and the molar fraction V of the vapor form. Okay, assume Lorentz law applies. Okay, first you kena buat apa? Okay, cari value K. K sama dengan apa? Okay, K equal to apa? Guna equation ke guna graph? Guna graph. Kita tengok dalam graph ada tak this component?
Tak ada, madam.
Okay, so kalau tak ada, guna apa?
Guna equation dia.
Ya, guna equation. Pi set over P. So, calculate dulu P set. Okay, calculate P set for benzene, toluene and ethyl benzene. Okay, at temperature 383.15 Kelvin. Okay, guna table B2. Okay, calculate sekarang P set. Okay, dah calculate? Belum. Okay, how much P1 set? Berapa? 254. Saya dapat lain ni. 234.53.
Dapat sama madam. P2 set dapat 99.617 madam.
Okay. P3
Dan
set?
P3 set dapat 47.3713.
Okay, correct. Okay, next calculate K kan. P set over P. Okay, P2 set 99.62. Okay, P3 set 47.37. Okay. Okay, you calculate the KI for decimal points. Okay, and then after you get KI, okay, substitute into equation 10.17. Okay, solve the value V. Okay, dapat berapa? K1, K2 and K3. Okay, Syahira Adila, ada?
Ada madam.
Okay, berapa? Your K1, K2, K3?
Tengah kira. Sikit ya madam. Sekejap.
Okay. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay, P dah bagi dah soalan 90. Okay, and then you calculate V. Z nak guna berapa? Okay, berapa ZI? Muhammad Haikal? Muhammad Haikal ada? Tak ada. Okay, Muhammad Firdaus. Okay, berapa value Z? Firdaus, tak ada juga.
Madam,
Hmm.
macam mana nak calculate V?
Macam mana nak calculate V? So yang ni flash calculation kan?
Lagi satu macam mana kita nak tahu dia flash calculation, dia flash ke?
Dalam soalan dia dah bagi tahu kan? Okay, dalam soalan dia cakap okay, the mixture okay, yang dia kata is flash to condition P and P.
Oh,
Kalau tak bagi tahu, you boleh determine P bubble and P DU. Okay, kalau P yang dalam soalan tu adalah between P bubble and P DU, so dia adalah flash calculation. Okay,
okay.
boleh?
So untuk cari V,
Ha.
guna equation yang mana?
Equation 10.17.
10.17.
You
Oh,
baru,
yang tu. Oh, okay.
baru follow macam mana ni?
Tak, saya ni tak perasan. Okay, tahu dah.
Okay. Okay, soalan saya tadi Z berapa? ZI. Daniel ada?
Ada madam.
So berapa Z? Macam nak tahu ZI?
Madam, V tu cari macam mana?
Ya?
V.
Apa? PZ.
Kita nak cari Z tu pakai equation 10.15 kan?
Z 10.15. Apa soal equation?
S1 darab 1 minus V tambah gamma darab V. Tu bukan?
Tak. Z tu dia dah bagi dah dalam soalan.
Ya.
Cuba you baca. Baca soalan. A mixture
Equimolar.
contain equimolar mixed amount of benzene, toluene and ethyl benzene. So apa maksud equimolar?
Sama between all.
Equal mole fraction. So
So
kalau 1 mole basis, so Z tu jadi berapa?
0.333 madam.
Yes, correct. Okay, Z1, Z2, Z3 0.333. Okay, tak payah guna equation. Dia dah bagi dah dalam soalan. Okay. Kalau dia tapi yang 10.17 tu memang dia derive daripada 1 mole basis. So kalau you ada fit katalah selain itu, katalah dalam in terms of mole flow ke apa ke, you kena convert jadikan 1 mole basis. And then baru you multiply balik. Ya. Macam mana nak convert? Contoh? Contoh dia katalah soalan bagi in terms of flow rate kan. So yang total flow rate tu, daripada total flow rate, dia nak dapatkan each fraction tu kan, yang Z tu. Okay, each component punya flow rate bahagi dengan total flow rate. So dapatlah dia punya fraction dia. So yang semua total fraction tu basic dia satu. Kena convert dulu. Ha. Okay, dah dapat ke V?
V dia satu ke madam?
Ha?
V dia satu ke?
Dia tak akan dapat satu. Macam tak betul lah.
Dapat V dia 0.9999.
Bukan.
Okay.
Try balik. Ada jawapan lain tak? Okay, jawapan lain. Adri dapat berapa? Dah, kakek, Umi. Dini Nurina. Dapat berapa?
Sekejap, madam tengah tekan calculator.
Okay. Berapa V? Ada yang dapat?
Madam, saya dapat 1.008.
Tak betul.
Tak betul. Madam, nilai Z1 tu kita pakai 0.33 kan untuk Z1, Z2, Z3.
Betul. 0.333.
Okay, sekejap.
Medium saya dapat 0.7.
0.3.
7.
0.7. 7 berapa?
707.
707. Macam lain daripada saya.
Okay, madam.
Yang lain dapat sama ke? You guna K berapa decimal points? Okay. K calculate to 4 decimal points. Yang Z tadi guna 0.333 each Z. Okay, macam mana? Ada jawapan lain? Mana Dini Nurina tadi?
K tadi berapa decimal point, madam?
Ya?
K, madam guna berapa decimal
4
point?
decimal points.
4.
Jawapan Hadri 0.7118. Tak sama juga.
Madam,
Berapa?
saya dapat 0.9585 sama? 9585.
Oh, lain juga.
Okey.
Madam, 0.9958.
Tak sama juga. Okay, yang lain.
Madam, kalau 0.83?
Hampir sama.
Okey.
Jawapan saya 0.8201. Ada tak yang dapat? Emmanuel dapat sama. Okay, lebih kuranglah saya punya jawapan 0.8201. Okay, good. Yang lain, try calculate V balik. Okay, check your calculation. Okay tak? Boleh? V. Okay. Dapat tak V? Okay, Sofia dapat berapa? Okay, semua orang dapat ke tak ni? Tak dapat.
Tak dapat value madam dapat.
Oh ya. Mana boleh tak dapat you punya K betul kan tadi? Saya salah kira. Akasha dapat berapa? 0.7? Jauh, berapa? Berapa? Yang shift calculate tu, you tekan 2 kali tak? Shift slough tadi. Sedap. Kalau reset balik boleh tak calculator tu? Reset calculator. Okay, ada yang dapat sama dengan saya tak selain Emmanuel?
Saya dapat 0.8202 0.8201.
Okay. Sama. Okay. So, ada yang dapat sama dengan saya, so betul lah. Saya punya jawapan. Okay, you try calculate again V. Yang tak dapat tu try again. After you calculate V, you can calculate Y and X. Okay. Okay, dah dapat X dengan Y. Okay, dah boleh ke V? Okay, saya tekan sekali lagi pun memang saya dapat 0.8201. Okay, answer for Y1. Okay, Y1 0.3745, Y2 0.3389, and Y3 0.2866. Okay, saya ada bagi answer dalam chat. Alright, ada soalan tak nak tanya? Okay, any question? Dah dapat dah V? Lari sikit. Okay. Okay, yang lain tak ada soalan? Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, kita stop sampai sini saja. Okay, tomorrow tutorial 4 question 2, 3 and 4. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, madam.